Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a CVS haul. Yes, a CVS haul. Yes, y'all, I know I've been missing. I have been missing. I am so sorry, but I went on vacation. I went to Orlando, took my grandbaby, one of my grandbabies to Orlando with me because my other ones they live far out of town. So we went to Orlando to, I think it was Disneyland, Disney World, one of them Disney's. And we had a nice time, but it rained and oh my God, it rained for 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. So it was actually, all the characters mainly was in. The only character we really seen was Mickey. And that was because Mickey was on the same side we was on. And then the rest of them was on the other side. And then they went in early, due to the raining and stuff. So at least we got to see Mickey, and I was happy with that. But we had a nice time. Then, the rides, they cut those short. So it was crazy. I have been couponing, but I just haven't been making any videos. So I'm starting back now since I've come back from vacation. I have one more vacation to do, but it won't be as long as the one that I had. So I'm going to see my other grandbabies in Vegas. So I'll be in Vegas the beginning of October. So you might get a video in the beginning of October. You might not until I come back and be the second week in October. Okay. So just letting you all know that I have not stopped couponing. I am still working on my business. So that is doing great. But it also, y'all, if y'all heard any screaming or anything in the background, that is my granddaughter. She is here. We had to go pick her up, and oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all know how that is, okay, with kids. So I am working with a 10 off of 70, okay, a 10 off of 70. I had only one coupon that did not want to work, okay. All my other coupons, they seem like they went through, but just one of them did not want to work. So she had to discount one of my prices, and it cut in on my 10 off of 40, but I'll show you all. And then one of my CRTs, they actually, it discounted, and I'll show you on that, okay? So the first thing I did was the Oral-B. Look, I got them all turned backwards. I'm usually on that. Okay, so these Oral-B charcoal, I got 2 of those, and the Crest Pro Health, they are $3.99 a piece, and there is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon and a $2 off of 1 digital coupon that actually let's see. Yeah, it did come off. And like I said, these are $3.99 a piece. So if you buy, let's see, on the Oral-B, if you buy 3, you get a $5 extra buck, which I did buy 3 and I did get my $5 extra buck. Okay. The next thing is the Revlon. This Revlon is $6, and let's see, how much was the Revlon? $6.29. There was a $5 off coupon that actually discounted. Okay, it discounted down to $3.29, and I'll show you on there. I hate when they do that. They discount stuff. I hate when they do that, but it is what it is. But there is also a Revlon deal. If you want to do it, spend $15, get $5. I might go back and do the rest of it, but I'm not for sure when I do my 10 off of 40. Okay. The next thing is the Secret. Now the Secret is actually with the 10 off of 40 deal, but I went ahead and purchased it now. I was trying because it's actually buy one, get one 50% off. This is $8, and let's see, they are where is it at? $8.29 for the vanilla. And then this was supposed to be half off, like $4 and something cents. But I had a 4 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that had got a long time ago. it would not scan for these. So what she did was she discounted and took off the $4 for the coupon, and which I was fine with that because I had other things that I was going to put in with my 10 off of 40. Okay. So I'm not getting anything back for this because I'm actually doing for the 10 off of 40, but I'm fine because it's tracking. Okay. The next thing are these cover girls. Y'all know about the cover girl. These are $4.99. I had two $3 off manufacturer coupons that actually took for this. And I had a, let's see, that's all I had on there. And the cover girl was buy two, get a $5 extra buck. And I got my $5 extra buck, so I'll show you. The next thing is the Vaseline. The Vaseline, they are buy two. I think the Vaseline, yeah. No, I'm sorry. Spend $10, get a $3 extra buck back. I did spend $10. I did get my $3 extra buck. But there was a $4 off of two digital coupon. Also in the 730, I think it's Save paper. There is a $4 off of two also. Now, it has expired. Now, if you're the type that don't like to use expired coupons, or if you go to a store that don't accept expired, it's not going to work for you, okay? So, I got the 4 off of 2 digital came off, and then also the 4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons scanned. But like I said, it is expired. And then I had a 3 off of 12. But when you use the 10 off of 70, I just found this out today, and it would have taken the 3 off of 12, but since she had to discount this, it messed my total up a little bit. So I was fine with that, because when you're using the threshold of like the 3 off of 12s and stuff like that, you have to take that in account of the 10 off of 70 and go a little bit over. I just found that out. I'm thinking that's correct. Crazy Steals and Deals, I think that's what Crazy Steals and Deals, she explained that, and I think that's what she said, but don't quote me on it. Go on her page, her last video that she uploaded, she explained that to you, but you got to watch her videos now. Don't fast forward, watch her whole video, okay? So on the VIX, it is a spend 10, get $3, and I did get my $3 back. The next thing is this Neutrogena wipes and the eye remover, makeup remover. You have to get this where the makeup is. Do not go over there where the facial. This is not going to work for this one. You have to do it. You have to get over where the makeup is. So I got the oil-free Neutrogena. There is $6.79. All three of these are $6.79 in my store. I had $3 off manufacturer coupons that I printed off of coupons.com. I don't know if it's still available. You can check, but I think I printed that last week, and I had 3 of them, and they all took, okay? But the Neutrogena, it was buy 3, get a $10 extra buck back, and I did get my $10 extra buck back. So all of this, y'all, totaled up over $70-something. But yeah, it totaled over $70 because like I said, she had to discount that, so that's fine. At least it totaled over. It still was over $70. You want to try to get your totals over $70 because you never know what can happen. Not a whole lot over 70 if you're using those threshold coupons. Like if you're spending a 3 off of 12, 3 off of 12, or if it's a Vaseline or something like that, for Axe or whatever, you always want to spend a little bit more over, because it makes a difference, because it'll mess up everything as far as the whole total coming off of that coupon. So, and then also, let's see. I wrote in $18 in extra bucks. I wrote in $18 in extra bucks. So my subtotal was $3.68. Yes, $3.68. I couldn't believe it. I was like, Lord, have mercy. So let me show you my receipt. Okay, let me show you my receipt. There it goes. There it goes. All right, so let me show y'all on the, let's see, where's it? The Secret. You see right there, the Secret Water Lily, 29 cents. That's where she discounted it for the $4 off digital coupon. And then here are my manufacturer coupons, my digital coupons. And then this $5 right here, it discounted to $3.29. That's the that's the extra bucks that I wrote in. And look at my subtotal, $3.68. My subtotal was $7.34. Come on, y'all. That is great. I ain't never done this in a long time with CVS, because me and CVS sometimes don't get along. All right, so there's today's saving is $78.69 with a 96% savings. So let me show you my extra bucks. Here's my $5 for my Oral-B and Crest. There is my $10 for my Neutrogena. There is my $5 for my CoverGirl. I can't show you all the things because people be out here trying to scam. And then here's my $3 for my Vaseline. I thought I was going to get another 10 off of 70, but they want to give me, look, they want to give me a 10% off. Sometimes that's okay, but I wanted another 10 off of 70 because I have still got to do my 10 off of 40. Still got to do that, but that's all right. And then plus, you know, for next week, have for next week, but that's all right. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my 10 off of 40 probably later on this week or maybe Saturday. I haven't decided. So y'all, this right here is my CVS haul. If you would just like, subscribe.